What do you guys call him here? The hump?
Hump.
I felt bad for the hump because I felt like his mom was.
Live code test of emergency alert system capabilities. This test message has been initiated by National Alert and Warning Authorities in coordination with emergency alert system participants, including broadcast, cable, satellite, and wireline participants in your area. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news, or instruction. This is only a test. We now return you to regular programming.
That was a nationwide test of the emergency alert system. KCRA just one of many stations taking part today, part of our commitment to keeping Northern California safe.
The news at noon is now less than an hour away on KCRA 3. Hopefully we'll see you right back then. For now, we go back to our regularly scheduled programming.
It's an amazing PR